waiting on the world to change. Keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change. It's not that we don't care, we just know that all ain't fair. So we're still waiting, waiting on the world to change. If we had the power to bring our neighbors home, oh, would have never missed a Christmas. No more ribbons on that door. When you trust your television, what you get is what you got. It's when the only information